Alright, laminate side trims. Sometimes you get a really stubborn one. They just will not cooperate. Glue it, re-glue it. Sometimes it's just how these are cut off the deal. And in order to stop it from happening, this is not a perfect solution. You know, a lot of times you can just press it back into place, but if it keeps happening, what works good is a little brad. It won't show too much, show a little bit. Just pick a spot that's going to go into the sideboard and kind of balance it, you know, where you think it's going to be the least noticeable. Put it all in, and if I don't have a finishing nail handy, what looks good is the Phillips head of my 6-in-1 screwdriver, or a finishing set. I just sometimes use my deal to make sure it's set. Now, in order to cover the color a little bit better, use the Sharpie. Takes the shininess off. Just going around. It's a debate there whether that's better or not. You can wipe it and pick it how you choose, but now mostly, no one's mostly going to notice it. Doesn't mean no one will notice it, but it's not going to be, you know, so much as it peeling off there. So it's going to hold it. It's going to be that. You know, in a perfect world, wouldn't need to do that, but we're not in a perfect world. And, you know, you don't necessarily have to do that, but sometimes you run into something. And this you can spray more glue there, but if for some reason your glue didn't hold and it's just the last, you know, you can glue it again using, I've showed you how to do that before.
It's spray adhesive.
And if that won't hold it, last stitch, just picking a reasonable place where this is going to go again into the bottom board. Making it permanent. There we go. That one hides good. It's the green. I don't think anyone will really notice it. The light's on. And even if they did, it's just doing its job. No big deal. Done deal. Again, some people probably won't like that, but you know, if it's your house and you're just wanting it to hold together, do what you can. Do what you gotta do. And what works good. And I got a noisy fridge fan here, which I showed on other videos.
Mm-hmm.